Hi, welcome to IGCSE Math. In this video, we are going to learn about the cube root of larger number. First, we are going to talk about the cube. What is a cube and how to find out the cube of a number. So, if we have 5, so what will be the cube of 5? So, cube of 5 is 125. And how we will get this? 5 3 times give you 125. But if I want to take out the cube root of 125, what will be the answer? So the cube root of 125 is 5. So we can say that cube root of 125 is 5. Here, this is a radical and the number inside is a radical. Move on further. I can represent 5 raised 3 is equals to 125. As I shift this to the other side, so it turns to the cube root. So I can represent this in this way. Maybe you can understand what is cube root now. It's time to move on to our topic, that is cube root of larger number. So for solving this cube root of 5832, we need to know about the two things. First, we need to learn the cubes of number from 1 to 10 by heart. The second thing you need to know about is that 4, 5, 6 digit cube root always give 2 digit long. So the answer for this 4 digit number is 2 digit long. Now, moving on further, look at all the unit digits of the number in the cube column. They all are different from each other. 18745 that I wrote it separately here. And all numbers cover from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The first step of our method is to look at the unit digit of 5832, that is here. Now we are going to look at our table and we can see where is number 2. So this is number 2 in our cube column. So corresponding to this 512, our number is 8. So this is a number that I'm going to write here. The next step is to ignore the right 3 number of 5832, that is 832. Now the remaining number is 5. So now I'm going to see this number in our cube column. So 5 number lies in between 1 and 8. So the corresponding number of 1 is 1. So the lower number from 1 and 2 is 1. I'm going to plug in this 1 in our 10th place. So our answer is 18 for cube root of 5832. Remember, we always choose number from first column. Number column, not the cube column. Now look at one more example of 5-digit number, that is cube root of 10648. So the first thing first, the cube root of 4, 5, and 6 is always 2-digit long. Now, our first step is to look at the unit digit 10648 is 8. Now this 8 in our table, so 8 is here. So the corresponding number of 8 is 2. Our next step is that to ignore the first right three numbers from our cube root, that is 10648. So the first right three number is 648. After ignoring these three numbers, the number remaining is 10. Now I'm going to find out this number in our cube column where this number lies in between. The 10 number is lies in between 8 and 27. So the corresponding number of 8 is 2 and the corresponding number of 27 is 3. The lowest number in the corresponding number column here is 2. Now I'm going to plug in this 2 in our times digit. So this is our answer for cube root of 10648. Now I'm going to take one more example of 6-digit number, that is 421875. Remember, the 4, 5, 6-digit cube root is always 2-digit long. Our first step to look at the unit of 421875, that is 5. Now find out this unit number in our cube column where it lies. The 5 number lies here. 125 ends on 5. So our corresponding number of 125 is 5. So this is our number. I'm going to plug in 5 on unit plates. Now our next step is to ignore the first right three number, that is 875. Now the remaining number we have is 421. Now I'm going to find out this 421 in our column cube where this 421 lies in between. 421 is lies in between 343 and 512. And the corresponding number of 343 is 7 and the corresponding number of 512 is 8. So now I'm going to take the lower number from these two numbers, that is 7. I'm going to plug in this 7 on our tens place. Our answer for 421875 is 75. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like my channel. And please click the bell icon so you will get my upcoming videos notification.